Would you like to explore simple yet powerful strategies to propel your videos into the spotlight, reaching new heights and engaging audiences you never thought possible? Let's break free from the limitations and dive into the expansive universe of promoting your videos beyond YouTube. It's time to amplify your content game. In the vast realm of online content creation, YouTube stands as a towering giant, hosting an incredible array of videos that cater to diverse interests. However, merely uploading your videos to YouTube is not enough to ensure visibility and success. To truly make a mark in the digital landscape, content creators must embrace cross-platform strategies, extending their reach beyond YouTube. This video explores the importance of promoting videos outside YouTube and outlines effective cross-platform strategies in simple language. Number 1, diversifying platforms. The digital world is not a one-size-fits-all space. While YouTube is undoubtedly a powerhouse, it's essential to diversify and tap into other platforms. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook offer unique opportunities for engagement. By creating short teasers or engaging snippets, creators can entice viewers on these platforms and direct them to the full content on YouTube. Number 2, harnessing the power of TikTok. TikTok, the short-form video platform, has skyrocketed in popularity, especially among younger audiences. Leveraging TikTok's viral potential, creators can make compelling snippets that capture attention quickly and allow you to do something called video repurposing. Adding a link to the YouTube video in the bio or comment section can drive traffic from TikTok to YouTube, expanding the video's reach across different demographics. Also, with the shorter and more dynamic content, we give the chance to drive viewers to its longer format version on YouTube. Number 3, collaborations and cross-promotions. Collaboration is a potent tool in the digital content realm. Partnering with other creators on various platforms can introduce your content to new audiences. Cross-promotions involve mutual sharing of content where creators promote each other's videos. This symbiotic relationship not only broadens the audience base, but fosters a sense of community within the creator sphere. Number 4, optimizing for search engines. Beyond social media, search engines play a pivotal role in driving organic traffic. Implementing SEO strategies such as using relevant keywords in video titles, descriptions, and tags increases the likelihood of videos appearing in search results. This optimization extends beyond YouTube and enhances visibility on Google, Bing, and other search engines. Number 5, email newsletters and subscriptions. While newsletters may seem like a relic from the past, they remain effective in today's digital landscape. Collecting email addresses from interested viewers and sending out regular newsletters with updates and links to new videos can keep your audience engaged. This direct communication channel ensures that your content remains on the radar of your most dedicated viewers. Number 6, repurposing content for different platforms. Each platform has its unique audience and content consumption patterns. Repurposing content for specific platforms ensures that it resonates with the target audience. For example, create visual appealing graphics for Instagram, engaging polls for Twitter, and behind-the-scenes content for YouTube Shorts can provide a fresh perspective and captivate diverse audiences. Conclusion. Content creation is a constantly evolving realm. The key to success lies not only in creating quality videos, but also in strategically promoting them across various platforms. YouTube, though a formidable platform, is just one piece of the puzzle. By diversifying across social media channels, harnessing the power of emerging platforms like TikTok, engaging in collaborations, optimizing for search engines, utilizing email newsletters, and repurposing content, creators can amplify their reach and impact. In essence, the journey to success in the digital realm is not a solitary one. It's a collaborative, cross-platform adventure that leads to a broader and more engaged audience. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and subscribe.